In this video, we'll be building three-letter words that have the short A sound. First, we'll go over the sounds that are in the words we'll be building, and next we'll work on building words. Let's get started. First up is the short A sound. Ready? Ah. Ah. Here are a few words that start with the short A sound. Apple, axe, alligator. Let's say those words together. Apple, axe, alligator. Great job! The short A sound is really important because all the words we'll be building today have the short A sound in them. Now let's go over the other letters we'll be using today. Which one of these letters makes this sound? P. P. Otherwise known as the first sound in the word pineapple. If you said the letter P, then you got it. Let's try that again. Which one of these letters makes this sound? Otherwise known as the first sound in the word narwhal. If you said the letter N, then you're right. Alright, let's try that one last time. Which one of these letters makes this sound? T. T. Otherwise known as the first sound in the word taco. If you said the letter T, then you got it. Now that we've gone over all the letter sounds we'll be using to build words today, we're ready to start building. Here are the 4-letter options: A, N, P, and T. How do you spell the word pan? Pan. Pan is spelled P-A-N. Nice work! Let's move on to the next word. How do you spell the word tan? Tan. Tan is spelled T-A-N. Great job! Let's try another word. How do you spell the word pat? Pat. Pat is spelled P-A-T. Way to go! Up next, how do you spell the word tap? Tap. Tap is spelled T-A-P. It's time to build the last word. How do you spell the word nap? Nap. Nap is spelled N-A-P. Great job! Thanks so much for building words with me today. See you later!